So in this video we are going to study how to do division related to fractions. So let's go to the video. And this is my first question, that is 3 over 7 divided by 9 over 14. So first of all what we have to do here is we have to convert this division sign into a multiplication sign. But you can't just do that. What you have to do is you can convert the division into a multiplication by taking the reciprocal of the second number. Okay, it's like this. We are going to write the same number here, the first number in the same way, that is 3 over 7. And convert this division sign into a multiplication sign. And the number after the division sign has to be taken the reciprocal. Has to be reciprocal. Okay, so that is 14 over 9. Guys, what do you mean by reciprocal? Changing the up and down sides. Okay, so 14 goes up and 9 comes to the lower side. Okay, 14 over 9. Now this is just a multiplication. This have been taught in the previous video, no? That's easy. 3 times 1, 3 times 3, and 7 times 1, 7 times 2. So 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3. This is the answer. Very easy. Division also very easy. Just like the multiplication, what we have to do is, you have to convert the division sign into a multiplication sign and just take the reciprocal of the second number. Don't change the first number. You have to take the reciprocal of the second number. Okay, keep in mind that. So this is our next question. 3 divided by 2 over 3. Again, there is a whole number. If it's confusing, just write 1 in the lower side. I will write 1. Okay. So what I have first is 3 over 1. Division is converted into a multiplication sign like this. And taking the reciprocal. 3 over 2. Okay. So, is there anything I can simplify now? From lower side and the upper side? No, there's nothing I can simplify. So I'm going to just multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 2 is 2. So this is a mixed number, right? So this is an improper fraction. So I have to convert this one into a mixed number like this. You know how to do that. For 9, how many 2's are there? 4. 1 over 2. That's it. Very easy. So our third question, that is 2 over 9 divided by 1, 2 over 7. Okay. Let's check. I'm write 2 over 9 here, and I will put here also I will put the division mark because I have to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 over 7. Okay. So, now what I have to do is, I have to convert this division into a multiplication. So, let's do that. 2 over 9 multiply 7 over 9. Again, is there anything I can simplify further? No, there's nothing. So 2 times 7 is 14. 9 times 9 is 81. So this is our final answer. That's it. So we are moving to the fourth question. That is 2 1 over 2 divided by 1 3 over 7. Okay. First of all, in the first step, I am going to convert these numbers into improper fractions. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 over 2. Divide by 7 times 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10 over 7. Okay. Now I am going to take the multiplication and reciprocal. Okay. Let's do that one in the next line. 5 over 2 multiply 7 over 10. Now I can cut. 5 times 1, 5 times 2. That's all, no? So 1 times 7 is, yes, that is 7. 2 times 2 is 4. So I'm going to convert this into a mixed number 1, 3 over 4. That's it. 1, 3 over 4. Very easy. So the last question we are going to discuss in this video, that is 1, 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 6. Okay. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5 over 3. Multiply reciprocal 6 over 5. Now I am going to simplify 3 times 1, 3 times 2 and 5 times 1, again 5 times 1. So 1 times 2 is, that is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. So no need to write 1 in the denominator. This is the final answer. Very easy, no? So in this part, we have discussed how to do division related to fractions, and in the next video, we are going to discuss complex questions related to fractions which have all the things we have discussed in these videos. Okay, so let's meet soon. Goodbye.